Hi guys, welcome to our channel. I was so tired that I fell asleep, and when I woke up, she was gone. Do you notice anything strange? No, I have not seen her talk to anyone. Did you check the surveillance? Did you send someone to look for her? Did you ask the event organizer? Are you the boss, or am I the boss? I'm just worried about Zeozen. I never want to experience the disappearing of losing a loved one again for the rest of my life. Let me make this clear, I have no ties to her. If it were not for you, I would not even want to get involved. The ship is small. I didn't think she could just vanish into thin air. All of the warriors and my contacts on the ship will start searching. Thanks, boss. What kind of magic potion did Miss Jane give you? Look at you, not even doing this for money. No, boss, you didn't get it. My wife will always be the most important. Whoops, I forgot you have been single for more than 30 years. You have always been a player. You have no shame. No strings attached is appealing, but you don't have to be so jealous. Jane June was found. Where is she? Why is there a biological laboratory on this cruise ship? There should be experimental drugs in here. What? Scared? Don't worry, you're a precious toy. I won't break you easily. Don't you really think you're worthy enough to be able to call me your toy? Miss Jane, who do you think you are talking to me as? The head of the Jane family? Stop dreaming. The reality is that you were brought here on your aunt's instructions. Her original mothers were so cruel that even I could not stand it. You can't go. What do you mean? The Wolfox just texted me. Jane June's current situation is something she agreed to. She felt that Jane was already useless to her. She wants Jane June to hurry up and give birth to a pure-blooded new heir for the Jane family. It does not matter who the father is or if the child is born out of wedlock. Even how the child is conceived is not important. Jane wants to use artificial insemination to make Zeozun pregnant. The so-called antidote for the inhibitors is just a cover-up. They tricked Jeojun into coming onto this cruise ship in broad daylight just to drag her into a hidden laboratory and make her pregnant with a child of unknown origin.
Subscribe. Thank you for watching.